from the magic of thinking big. From that one. Of course, I told maybe in the last sessions of this story. There is a job openings are there. Observe very carefully, dosto. Job openings are there. First job offered salary is 25,000. The required qualification is B.Tech. How much salary for the first job?
25,000.
25,000. Required qualification is
B.Tech.
B.Tech. Second job offered salary is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Next, required qualification is B.Tech. Observe that carefully, B.Tech. The company announced, kept these job postings. Believe me, more number of applications came for which job is 25,000 rupees job only. More number of applications came. Very less number of applications came for 1 lakh job, even though qualification is the same. Then automatically, the people came for the interview for 25,000 rupees job. Then interview person asked her, Arey, why you didn't apply for 1 lakh job? Because their also qualification is the same. Then automatically this person told that, I thought that 1 lakh salary means more expectations will be there. I may not fulfill your requirement. I may not fulfill your requirement. That's why I didn't apply. This is the answer. Everyone is telling who applied only for 25,000 rupees job. They are always going to downsize themselves. I may not fulfill their requirement. I may not, my level is not enough. My level is not enough. Like, they're always going to think. That's why everyone applied for 25,000 only, not for 1 lakh job. Even though qualification is the same. Are you in the position to understand? The
Yes.
same way, I'm eligible to do the job, man. I'm not eligible to start a company. You decided already, you thought already, your thinking process is that, that's why you are settle your life as an employee only. Believe me. Sir, my level is only a small car, sir. Not Benz car or not Porsche car or not so bigger brands. No, my level is this one only. You decided already, that's why you are in this car only. Once start thinking out of box, forget about in reality that's going to be happen or not. Forget about that. Once you start thinking out of box, without limits, forget about possibility, without limits, then can you please imagine once how beautiful it is? How many number of opportunities by default will be there? But the problem is, we are not thinking. That's why we are not going to that level. We are always in the comfort zone. My level is this one only. I'm the suitable for this position only. I'm suitable for this position only. Like we are always thinking in that style. Then automatically. So even though we are capable, but we are not trying. We are not going to do that. Because we decided already I'm unfit for that. Or otherwise my level is not enough. Or my money is not enough. Or my background support is not enough. But there is one person is there. Yes. I have to think big. That person is always going to the next level. So, cut the boundaries for your thoughts. Okay, if you kept any boundaries, remove that bloody boundaries from your thoughts. Think a bit next level. Automatically, the remaining things by default are going to be happen.